Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem codes and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have joined the grow a garden game on Roblox. And if you want to redeem codes, we need to go to the settings. You can click on the settings icon here or this gear icon. Okay, like this, and then you're going to go down until you find the redeem codes. Okay, and you will be able to type your code here, and then once you have done typing the code, you can click on claim to claim your codes. Okay, and I'm just going to close it. Okay guys, and that's all the way to redeem codes and grow a garden. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.